What's going on, guys? The Fox said in today's video tutorial we're going to be updating Viktorious, the Blu-ray drive jailbreak. You know, the disc that we covered last time where you burn the image to the disc and then we're able to run the jailbreak. This is the latest version. It got updated to version 1.16 and here's the information. This is like the show notes of, you know, the updated information of what got done. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you how to reburn your already rewritable disk. So go ahead and take your old disk of Viktorious's image, put it inside of the computer. I'll meet you on the computer. Go ahead and download my pack. The link's in the description. Right click, extract here. Be back when that's done. Okay, after that extracts, you want to open up the folder. And remember, like last time, this is the older images, just in case you want them or want to test them or whatever. This is the latest image here. I've also included the program in case you need the image burn, in case you don't have it. So you want to open up the folder. Make sure that your writable disk is inside of the computer. Then you just want to click it. You want to right click and you want to press burn with image burn. If you don't have this option here, then you should just open up image burn. Then you can go from there if you'd like. So we're just going to go ahead and burn with image burn. And the disk's already inside of the computer. We're just going to leave the write speed at AWS. That's going to auto determine the write speed. Make sure verify is unchecked, otherwise we're going to be here all day. Then just go ahead and press the burn sign right here. See, it says the disk is not empty, all data will be overwritten. So just go ahead and press yes, that's 100% normal. I'll be back when this is done. And as you can see, it's already written successfully. It took about, I guess, 30 seconds to write it. It seems like it took a little bit longer than that. I'd say about maybe 2 minutes or whatever. So go ahead and press OK. And we're going to close out of this. Go ahead and eject the disk from the computer. I'll meet you back on the PS5. Go ahead and put the disk in the computer. Make sure you're putting it in the right way, otherwise it's not going to read and you'll get an error message. So make sure the smooth side's facing the top of the drive, just like a regular game disk. Okay, what we're going to do is just go ahead and press X on that, and that's going to load the disk. Supposedly this has an auto close function where we don't need to go through that whole closing process again. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the pipeline runner. That's the first one that automatically pops up. And as you can see, those two little arrows that are pointing to the text right there, it says 1.all-in-one UMTX1.pipe. We're going to run that one. That's the all-in-one jailbreak, and I know that works pretty well. So go ahead and just press X on that. And this should automatically close. So I'll be back in a second. Don't touch anything in case it automatically doesn't close. You might have to do something different. But it said it should automatically close. And as you can see, it's running. So I'll let this go for a second. So don't touch anything on the controller or anything. And it looks like it ran with the first try here, and it did automatically close by itself, so that's pretty cool. So now that we're done recording on the phone now, because I can't figure out how you do it on the Elgato, I'm going to meet you back on the computer and we're going to look at this in high definition. So it looks like it took about 2 minutes for this whole jailbreak to run. So I'll meet you back on the computer and we'll go for a test drive. So let's go ahead and test it out and make sure it actually did jailbreak the system. So now we're going to open up items flow. And items flow did open up, which is good. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to launch a title. So just go ahead and press launch. It's great that the auto close function works. You don't have to deal with doing the manually closing out or anything like that. So as you can see, the game does run. Everything is working on here, and just to confirm that everything is working, I'll show you that the debug settings are working. So you want to go head into settings. And as you can see, debug settings are enabled. So it's pretty good, guys. So no more, manually closing the disk drive and it automatically closes. This does run a little bit slower than using the UMTX 2, but this is pretty cool. Just put it in and you're good to go. Anyway, guys, this was just a quick little video tutorial. I just wanted to show you the new version of Viktorious' version 1.16, that everything's up and running, working well. Like and subscribe to Foxden. I'll catch you guys later. I have more great video tutorials coming your way. Just with working so many hours and just never having any free time, it's extremely hard to make these videos. So anyway, guys, like and subscribe to the Foxden. I'll catch you later. Have a wonderful night.